Last part of chapter 7 is 4.7, deals with modeling and solving problems with quadratic functions. So you're going to take a word problem, convert it into a quadratic function, and then solve it and get the answer from it. So once again, slowly take a look and see what happens on how you solve it. Once you get an idea how you solve it, I then want you to try this question on the second page. All right? Stop the tape, try it, and then once you're done trying it, then turn the tape back on and see how I've done it. For this equation, we're going to look at two numbers have a sum of 20. Does the sum of their squares have a maximum or minimum value? So when we talk about maximum or minimum value, we're talking about that x, that number here. If it's a negative, that means it will have a maximum because it'll go like this. So that's the highest it can go. If it's a positive, that means it's going to have a minimum because it's going to go underneath and go up. So that's what we want to determine. So two numbers have a sum of 20. So x plus y is equal to 20. That's one equation. And does the sum of their squares have a maximum or minimum? So that sum of their squares, that will be x squared plus y squared equals max. We don't know. Two variables, can't solve two variables, so we want to get one by itself. So I'm going to take, this is the simplest one to work with, so I'm going to take it over here. I'm going to say y is equal to 20 minus x. So all I've done is brought the x over to 20. When it crosses the equal sign, it becomes a negative. So that's what y is equal to. So I'm going to plug that back into the equation, this equation. So x squared plus 20 minus x squared is equal to m. X squared plus 20 minus x times 20 minus x is equal to m. X squared plus 400 minus 20x plus x squared is equal to m. Combine my like terms. Excuse me. I get 2x squared minus 40x plus 400. I'm going to take 2 out of there again, so I get 2 equals x squared minus 20x plus 200. Difference, I can't factor that, so I'm going to complete the square. So 2 equals x squared minus 20x plus 200. Divide that by 2, I get 10. So 10 times 10 is 100, so it'll be x squared minus 20x plus 100 minus 100 plus 200. Sorry, that should be 400 still. I don't take it out of. So now I get 2. This is going to be x minus 10 squared. That comes out, so that's going to be minus 200 plus 400. So I get 2 times x minus 10 squared plus 200. So there's my equation. Now, x is equal to 10. That's what x is equal to. So x plus y is equal to 20. 10 plus y is equal to 20. Y is equal to 20 minus 10. Y is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10. This number is positive. So because it's positive, it opens up. So it goes up, which means this is going to be a minimum. Example 2 just shows you how another one can be solved. Once again, word problems are a little difficult for people because of the words. It's lengthy, a lot of information in there that they don't like. But there's another way of doing it. Once again, same stuff, just different numbers and different problems. So, stop it.